Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Scratch application. And today we are going to create a simple project which is related to Scratch. So before going to start, please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. Now we have an application named as Scratch. Now let's create a simple project using the Scratch. So now, so here we have a cat sprite. Let me delete this. So I will select simple sprite. So let me select this one, right? Now, so I will reduce her size using the size tab. So I will change it to 50. Now she's very small. Now we have to select the background. For that, I'll go to choose a backdrop. So here, select the choose a backdrop. Then you can select, so here I will select a castle 3, right? So you can move your sprite wherever you want. So now my intention is to she should come from here to here, right? So let me start my code. First I'll go to the event and I'll select when I press the green flag. So when I press the green flag, she should be here. That is the initial position. So I'll go to the motion. I'll select go to X 105 and 149. So automatically this will update whenever I move the my sprite. Next, she should come from here to here, right? So I'll move my sprite from there to here. So again here it changes. This is the first step, right? So let me run this program. Let's see how it will work. She came here. Now from here to here she should come, right? For moving, so what I'll do, I'll move my sprite like this. So whenever I move my sprite, automatically this glide will update. So I'll just drag it and I'll drop it over here. Simple, right? So let's run. She came here, done. Now let me add some music over here. So I'll go to the sound. So I'll select start sound. I'll keep it here. And here we have only pop. So let me add some sounds. I'll go to the sounds. So here we have an option, choose a sound. I'll select choose a sound. So you can select anything. Let me make it horror. So I'll select some animal sound. Let me select this. Okay. Now I'll come to code. So here I'll select crickets. So the initial position is this one. She'll come here, then she will stand here. Once she stand, the crickets will make a sound. Let's say. So once she reaches here, automatically she should say something, a text message. So I'll go to looks. So here I'll select think for a 2 second, right? At the same time, so she will say, I have to get out from here, or we can mention, I should get out from here, man, right? For a 2 second. So if you want to make it as 1, I'll select 1 second for a Let's see what will happen. Right now she's in the castle. Let's move her into a different background. Let me select. So before going to select, we have to move her, right? For moving, so what I'll do, I'll move my sprite from here to here like this. This is a way of exit, right? So I'll go to the looks, sorry, motion. In that I'll select glide. I'll keep it here. Simple. So let's see what will happen. She came, she moved here. Sound is coming. Okay, so here I'll change it. I should. Correct. So she's coming normally. If you want to make it slow, here we have option. So I'll make 2.2. Let's see what will happen. She came fast. So what I'll do, I'll make it as 2. Slowly she's coming. From here, she'll come first. So she will think and she will say, I should be here. Then she will move. Simple. So after this, she should get out from this castle and she will shift it to a park, right? So go to the backdrop. So I'll select the backdrop. So let me select a simple and nice one. So I will select, what will select? Right. So I'll go to fantasy. In the fantasy, we can select the castle 4 like this. So once she reaches the castle 3, right? So let her move over here. Okay. So again, automatically our glide will change. So I'll keep it here, right? So let me run this. But see, what about castle 3? We should see the old one, right? To show that, I'll go to looks. So in the looks, we can select switch backdrop. So I'll place it here. So first I'll select castle 4. Then after this, so again I'll go to here, then I'll select this one. Let's see what will happen. Okay, she came here. Okay, so it's making reverse. Let me change this. So this should be 3 and this should be 4. Now this is perfect. Let's see. So she came here. I should get out from here. Now she's here. Awesome. Next. Now, so once she come here, she will meet her friend. So let me select a friend. So I'll select the friend, this one. Okay. So she's her friend. So let me change the size. I'll make it as 80. Fine. So let's keep it here. Fine. So now, if I run the program, we can see here, right? But to see her in this tag, we should hide her, right? So I'll go to events, then I'll select. When I press the green flag, the girl should be hide. So let me select looks. I'll select hide. Okay. So next I'll go to events. In that I will select when backdrop switches to castle 4, right? So this is castle 3 and castle 4. When I press the castle 4, so we want to see the girl, I mean our friend. So I'll select show. Let's see what will happen. Now we cannot find her over here. We'll move. She came here. You can see her friend. Fine. Now we should do some animation. So so for the animation, first I'll select, is there any customs? Yes. See here. She will think, she will do some actions, right? Okay, fine. So now we can make the action using this one. So once she reaches the backdrop 4, that is castle 4. So I'll go to control. Let me select forever, right? Next I'll go to looks. In the looks I'll select next backdrop. Then I will select wait, because so in this you can see here we have a different action. See, she will jump, she will dance, and she will jump, right? Like this. These are all next customs. So here what I did, so I select next backdrop. One second, it's not a backdrop actually, looks. So I will select next costume. It's not a backdrop, we have to change the costume, right? So I'll place it here. Let me move this. Simple. So let's see what will happen. Just run this. She's coming here, then she will move here. She will change back, then she came here. Let's see. Now that's okay. She's dancing. What about her? So let's make this girl also dance. So again, I'll go to obey. in the B. So what I'll do, so yeah, now, so I will select controls, I'll select forever, same step. So looks, next costumes, then I'll go to events. In the control, I'll select, wait for a second. Let's see. She came, moved, she here. Then you can see she's thinking and she's clapping, and here she is dancing. Simple, right? So let me do some changes over here. So now what I'll do, so instead of this, so I'll remove this. Let me stand over here. So this side, that's better, right? So I'll go to the motion. I'll select this one. This is better, I think, compared to that. So let me drop out this. Fine. Now you can see. So let me run this code. She's coming here. Think she came out. Next, she's dancing. So let me see in the full view. Select this. Here you can see she came. She's here. As you can see here, she's dancing, and here she's clapping and she's thinking. This is a simple way of creating the animation things using the Scratch. If you don't want, we can change one more backdrop. So let me select one more backdrop. Let's select, no, I will select, let me select some different things, right? So I'll select outdoors. In the outdoors, we can see basketball, blue sky, something like that. So I will select a wall, right? So now if you change the wall, we have to change the backdrop as well. So here, so I'll select wall 2, and next here, there should be also a wall. Simple. Let's run this code. Right? So let me make some speed over here. So now she's dancing, and here also she's 1 second. Let me make her point 2. Let's see now. See, awesome. So similarly, if you want one more friend, so let me select some puppies. So I'll go to sprite. So I'll select the animals. In the animals, I'll select as puppy. Okay. So puppy is too big. So I'll make it small. Let me select 60. So he's here. Fine. So let's start code for the puppy. So I'll go to event. When I press the click, puppy should be hide. Where is the hide? Yes, here it is. So hide. Next, when I select the backdrop shifted to wall, so the puppy should be highlighted. It should be show. So I'll select show over here, right? So let's see what are the costumes we have in the puppy. So here he will sit. All right, right. So we'll use the same costumes and make it, some dance or animation kind of thing. So again, I'll go to the events. Sorry, control. Here I'll select forever. Next, I'll go to looks. Select next costume, and I'll put wait for a second. If you want speed, you can make it as 0.2. You can edit. So let me change this 0.2. Now you can see he's also dancing. Simple. So let's play this again. She came. She will stand here. Next sound. She will move. Now she'll come here. All three will start dancing. Very simple one. I hope this is clear. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll give the reply. And if you want more videos, please subscribe to my channel and you'll get the more videos. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.